Hi everyone, it's Danielle from YL Sunshine Diamonds, and today I'm going to be sharing some Christmas gift ideas. Last year, a parent of a student I was working with gave me a wonderful gift to say thank you for helping her with her boy for the year. And she gave me a gift of 3 Young Living roll-ons. So I've got 2 of them here. Here they are. They've got Christmas Spirit and we have got Gold. So these little bottles are so great, and it was such a great gift. They're really little bottles you can buy from like Amazon, and they're inexpensive, and you just make them into little roll-ons. You can roll them on your wrist, and you can choose to have pretty ones like these, which you can buy online, but I actually like to recycle my bottles. Let me show you. I like to recycle them, so you can get your bottles and then you can take the label off, and then you just make them into roll-ons. Now, the way you do that is you actually get the bottle that you want to make a roll-on into. You take the little plastic orifice out, and then you put the Aroma Glide ball in, and then you put the olive oil in there, or jojoba oil, or fractionated coconut oil, or V6. And with this is a 5 ml bottle, so you want to add at least 5 drops of essential oil to that, depending on how much aroma you want. Now, the way to get this little ball on is you have to screw it on like so, and it's on. So you use the lid to screw it on, and then to pop it off, maybe you've used it all and it's empty, so you just rock it side to side and the little Aroma Glide comes off. So you never want to actually lose this lid, because if you lose this lid, it's very difficult to get this popped on and popped off. Your lid actually does the hard work for you. So these are the 3 roll-ons she made for me, and I wanted to let you know how to make these 3 roll-ons. So the first one was Silent Night, and what you use is lavender and cedarwood. So if it's like a 5 ml bottle, you would want to put in probably 3 drops of lavender and 3 drops of cedarwood, but at least 5 drops in total. So roll this mixture onto the wrist, spine, behind the ears to promote a restful sleep and a silent night. The second one is a little bottle of gold. So you could use frankincense and myrrh, which are the oils that were given to baby Jesus, and this little bottle can do a lot of things, which is why frankincense and myrrh are the gifts of a king. And then you could even use sacred frankincense, because sacred frankincense is the best frankincense. Boswellia sacra is amazing. So then if you want to actually put some little gold particles in it, you could actually get some mica from Stardust Micas, and that will give it a little shimmer. And these little glitters are great because they're biodegradable, they're fine, sustainably sourced, vegan friendly, and cruelty free. So then the third one you might want to make is Christmas Spirit. In this one, you would use orange, cinnamon bark, and Idaho black spruce. So you use the empty bottle of Christmas Spirit. So if you're actually making Christmas Spirit, you could use this empty bottle and then refill it. And this blend evokes feelings of happiness, joy, and security while you celebrate the holiday season. Remember to make sure you dilute these in a carrier oil when you roll it on. And thanks so much for my wonderful gift, and hopefully you can gift someone else with this great gift idea too. Bye.